Find your next success in the age of Industry 4.0. Let's talk about the fundamental elements of global manufacturing. As manufacturing has evolved with the increase in complexity, speed, and automation, the need to control and have visibility into the process has only increased. An average car has 20,000 parts that must be marked and traced. And even the smallest wearable is a maze of components, with each being essential to overall product quality. Our vision has always included the harmony between people, technology, and machines. Introducing OMRON Traceability 4.0. Although related to Industry 4.0, OMRON's Traceability 4.0 is different in several ways. We not only connect digital and physical technologies to optimize and improve yield, but also bring an added dimension, ensuring quality components and end products. Traceability 4.0 brings together information about people, process, equipment, and parts. Our connected devices communicate data seamlessly with each other across multiple data layers within an organization. OMRON is a leader in manufacturing traceability solutions with a complete offering of products and technologies to help you mark, verify, read, and communicate data in real time. Why? To help you achieve the highest level of manufacturing excellence. The goal of Traceability 4.0 is the union of product, component, and supply chain tracking with machine and process visibility. Imagine seeing everything you need to know across your entire process, every part and product component, including real-time genealogy data. Traceability increases productivity, enables regulatory compliance, quality control, and protects your brand. Over the past 50 years, OMRON has provided leading-edge customer solutions through each evolutionary phase of traceability. We are uniquely positioned to provide significant and innovative value to our customers in this space. Our proven strengths deliver reliable Traceability 4.0 solutions today, meeting the needs of customers and industry applications. OMRON has been driving advancements since traceability's early beginnings, and we will continue to drive that evolution forward to benefit our customers. Take on a whole new view of your enterprise to better drive your manufacturing and automation decisions. Let OMRON show you examples of our successes, discuss with you how we can simplify your application, and demonstrate how we can help you attain Traceability 4.0. OMRON, your trusted partner in automation and your trusted provider of traceability solutions.